Meaning of glass fiber.
Glass fiber.
Glass fiber.
Glass fiber.
Glass fiber. Glass fiber refers to a type of fiber-reinforced plastic, FRP, that is composed of fine fibers of glass. The fibers themselves are made from molten glass that is drawn out into thin strands or fibers. These fibers are then woven or layered into a matrix of plastic resin, creating a strong and lightweight composite material. Glass fiber has a wide range of applications due to its high strength, low weight, and resistance to corrosion and chemical damage. It is commonly used in construction, automotive and aerospace industries, as well as in sports equipment and electrical insulation.